Hi lovelies, welcome once again to OA Style. So today guys, I brought amazing braid hairstyles for you guys that you will love. So please, for all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Make sure you always stick around. And for my new subscribers, please make sure you turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. And for my OGs, thank you so much for always supporting me. So guys, today I brought braid hairstyles for you guys that you will love. Like I said earlier, these are braid hairstyles. Make sure you watch the full video. Don't just watch the beginning and go. Watch the full video. And if you're here for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. When you are finished clicking on the subscribe button, also make sure you turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. Because if you don't turn on the bell notification, you won't be notified when I upload new videos. Please watch the full video. I will see you on my next video. Bye.